So I've got with me a latte. It's a very nice latte. And I've got with me my book, Living Your Life on Purpose. But what does the latte and the book have to do with each other? Well, if we look at this latte in the UK, it might cost you £5 for a latte. And let's say you have a latte every working day. That means you've had 20 lattes in a month, also known as £100. But here at Living Your Life on Purpose, we've put together a 13-week massive action plan for small office, home office entrepreneurs, small to medium-sized enterprises, where we're going to get together and show you how to get more business more easily, not for the cost of a latte every day, but the cost of half a latte every day. That's $49.95 to join us for a most awesome webinar where we're going to show you how to get more business more easily with fellow people just like you.